Hi, good evening. Jai Hind. No, it started. So, hi, good evening, everyone. This is Mechir Aditi once again with Go With The Flow, stories of real people, real lives, and real journeys. They say we ride not to escape life, but for life to not escape us. Life is a beautiful ride only when it has a purpose. Welcome, viewers, to our 8th episode, Go With The Flow. Pardon me, 7th episode, Go With The Flow, Season 1, yet again, with a very dynamic NGO called She for Society. If I start talking of what they do, perhaps I would have said it all. So let's welcome the outstanding ladies, one of which is the founder president for She for Society, Ms. Harshini Devita. And one of the 9 board of trustees, Ms. Kasturi Kotha. So let me tell you that both of them are working women. One is a self-entrepreneur, self-working woman, self-employed. She's a baker, she's a rider, and what else you do?
Rallyist.
Yeah, she's a rallist. And Kasturi Kotha is an HR professional with a multinational firm. And as we started this, trust me, she actually ended a call with 250 people. And here she is with the goal. All right, so here is my first ball of fire. Harshini, you are the founder of She for Society.
Yes.
I'm sorry for the noises behind, but I don't think I can stop that because there's some event going on. So please bear with me. Just think it's music out there. You're the founder of the She for Society, and please tell our viewers, because I'm sure they would be interested, how did this happen? When did this happen? Which year you started this NGO? And why did you plan to start this particular NGO and name it She for Society? And how this NGO is actually different from other NGOs? Harshini, over to you.
Yes. I'm the founder of She for Society, Harshini Venkatesh. So I was always into the social activities from 2010. Thereon, I was supporting visually challenged school children, where only the food, shelter, education was provided to them for all these visually challenged students, and I have been supporting them from 6 to 7 years. So gradually after that, I took some special initiatives, and with a couple of friends, I started doing the events. So one of my event, the first event was the book donation drive. We donated around 300 school bags, a very good quality school bag. We provided the bus pass, books, the stationery for one complete year for 300 students.
Oh,
so
my
that
God.
was my first event. So that was also done with a couple of friends, and from then I started with the name called She for Society, because we are there, the women are there, women power is there to support the She for Society,
My
for the
God.
society.
That's
And
really
yes,
awesome.
yes. And then I also, during the same period of time, there was the floods in Kerala and Coorg. So that time also I raised funds with funds from the public, from the couple of friends, and I supported that event. And later on, then I wanted to do something big and also different for those people who have given, who her services are ultimate. So the ultimate service in the world is only the Indian Army defense families.
How nice.
Yes.
That is so nice,
So because
Harshini.
they have sacrificed their lives.
Yeah.
Their mothers have sacrificed their children.
Yeah.
Their
Yeah.
women, their wives have sacrificed their
Yeah.
children, their husbands.
Yeah.
And then the children have sacrificed their fathers. There is no other services, any other service compared to this, because they're sacrificing their lives. Isn't it?
That is such
Isn't
an
it?
overwhelming
Yeah.
thought, Harshini. I mean,
Yes.
something to do like this,
Yeah.
especially ladies and gentlemen, and my viewers out there, not very many civilians, especially women civilians, really think to that extent of what something like She for Society is doing, because we have so many of the NGOs helping, different verticals and different people out there. But someone to think for the Indian Armed Forces, I think this is very different and very nice. It's a very noble thought. I, on behalf of the Indian Army, definitely thank you for doing something like this to all the members of She for Society. God bless you all. Kasturi, what are your thoughts on She for Society? You became a part of the trustee, right? You are a trustee member, board of the trustees for She for Society. So what is the whole purpose of this NGO? What is your motto?
Okay, as Harshini said, I mean, there were few common factors that brought us all together, and then we deliberated on what is the purpose that we should be supporting on. There are many NGOs which are supporting on many different causes, and then we said we endorse on the most eligible factor that we need to consider, the contribution by Indian Armed Forces. And that's not all. It's not just identifying their contribution, but also generating awareness and propagating the work and the contribution that Indian Armed Forces and their personnel or the veterans do. And also bringing into the awareness the sacrifice that the families have done and what they live up to, and what are the challenges that they are facing. Can we make an impactful, change? Even if we were to make an impact for a handful of people, our life is more purposeful. So that brought us all together. So therefore we defined our purpose statement also, saying we, Shifa Society, work for the welfare of Indian Armed Forces and their families. As well, we identify that there is a dearth need of spreading awareness in contribution that Indian Armed Forces do.
And that's why you term it as Ride for a Purpose?
Yes.
We ride for purpose.
So then we identified, how do we create that awareness? Can we do it something which is more different than just talking over the shows? Yes, then we said, okay, since what is common factor with all of us is we are all women riders, women motorbike riders. Can we then ride for a purpose?
I'm so glad that I met these ladies. While I love riding, but I don't have a bike. I can be a pillion rider right now, but I drive. So thank you so much for being in touch with me, because this is very, very inspiring and very, very motivational, I must say, because as I said, not very women do this.
All our events are always filled with glamour and passion.
Good.
And we have some purpose to ride.
Yeah.
We have purpose, and it's filled with the patriotism.
Absolutely.
So we create the events so it's desirable for the participants to come for the event, and we create awareness about the contribution of the Army Defense Forces and their families.
I always see you, all of you ladies, wearing this t-shirt. So can we have a look at your
This is our
t-shirts?
logo.
So this
Shifa
is,
Society.
if someone is a student of science, you would know what is a symbol for a female.
Women empowerment.
Yes, and they've got this lady right in the center of the symbol, and so this means she for the society. So that's a fantastic thought. Where
And
did
you
it
have
come
also
from?
seen, and
This
you have also
was,
seen on camos
yeah.
that symbolizes that we work for the
Yeah,
armed
so there,
forces.
yes, so there are the camos around the entire circle as well on the design. So yeah, the logo is very attractive, I must say, and I see you all wearing this particular thing at every
So
event.
we ride for purpose, and our events are very meaningful and
Yes.
very purposeful.
I've
So,
seen
yes.
already, I think three of them I've
All
already
our
seen.
events, we don't do any events without any purpose or without any meaning, even though it has like a lot of glamour and we want like so many people.
But
with
it's
that.
actually not a show, Shah. It's actually a show with a beautiful
Yes.
purpose
Yes.
behind.
Yes.
You have nine members, 9 board trustee members with you. Harshini, how did you get 9 women with you? You know, I mean, it's not easy.
And so, so I was just telling you that 26 Jan 2020, I was just planning for an event, and that was my brainchild. Okay, I was single when I started that event. When I was single when I started that event, and that's what I told you. I wanted to give the ultimate thing for the people who have sacrificed their lives. So keeping in that in mind, and also the passion, I gathered 150 women bikers for this event.
Wow.
150 it was the biggest challenge because I didn't have even a 10 bikers in my group.
Oh my.
So I took 2 months, complete 2 months to create this group.
Wow.
And no one has 150 bikers who have been participating in the events like this with the complete participation.
So unless I don't buy a bike, I'm not a part of a biker group.
No, you can.
No, that is just on a lighter note.
So when I was doing this event, I met a lot of people. And
Like-minded
they called-
girls.
Yeah, like-minded girls with so much of
Passion.
enthusiasm. They came, they reached me, and they asked me they want to help me during the event. So during that course of time, those people who were the volunteers of that 26 Jan 2020 are the present members of the organization now.
My God,
Yeah.
this is awesome. Now, moving a little bit differently, please tell me who is Harshini as a homemaker, as a family person, as an entrepreneur. Who are you? And what about you as well, Kasturi? I would like to know you as the women and not as Shifa Society.
Yes, I'm a baker, professional baker. I source for event managements, the caterers, the hotels. I usually deal in wholesale, in bulk, than the
Wow.
retail. I reach most of these people personally, and I've been doing this from almost 10 years, and I have won few awards for my recipes too.
And we saw your update in Indian Express just as late as
Yes,
yesterday.
that was for a healthy
And I
chocolate.
can
That
vouch
was-
for your breads and your cakes because you sent something home last year, and
Yes.
my God,
that was
ultimate.
healthy the bread. When I came out with this concept during the corona, the lockdown, they were not able to source the breads from anywhere.
Okay.
The whole Bangalore was locked down, even
Yes,
including
yes.
the bakeries. So at that time, I came up with the healthy breads. So these breads are made out without the preservatives, no yeast, and no gluten, nothing. 100% natural breads.
Oh, excellent. So I think by end of the session, I'm definitely going to share where you can reach out this lady for her healthy breads and healthy bakes. What about you, Kasturi? Sorry, I want to come back to her again. I wanted to ask, are you married?
Yes.
Okay, she doesn't look married to me. That's the reason I asked. And do you have
my
children?
son, my son is 20 years old and he is doing his business.
How old you said?
20 years.
Oh my God, guys, I am moving around with my chunnu munnus, as I always say, and she's got a 20 or from which angle you look like you look a mother of 20-year-old.
Thank you. And he's doing his final year BBA in Christ, and the other one is in 10th standard. He's in Delhi Public School. And we both of us we ride together.
Oh,
My son
excellent.
and my son.
I think
Yeah.
I'm yet to meet. What about you, Kasturi? Tell us about yourself.
Yeah, I'm a mother too. And
Okay.
I have children of 12 and 10.
Okay, just like me, yeah, 14 and 12. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And my day job or my profession is into HR.
Okay.
I've been in the field of human resource for 21 years now. Very highly passionate about the profession that I hold. I'm glad that I've been able to position myself as a fairly successful HR professional. At
I
least
think
in
she's
the
just being
city
modest.
city of Bangalore. I've been, I have been endowed with a few of the
Awards?
awards as well.
Excellent.
But that's not all, and I really wanted to do something beyond just my profession.
I understand.
And being from the psychology background, the empathy was something which always stuck me. As a person, I really look forward for creating an impact, be it my work, be it my family, be it my profession. And now with Shifa Society, I look forward for greater opportunities for creating an impact for larger audience.
I think you've already done that. You ladies have done a wondrous job, and I've been witness to almost like 2 of them. So I think that's fantastic what you're doing. Now, I believe your Shifa Society has been recognized, and ladies, I actually got such a big parcha of the awards. Believe you me, if I had to read out, I would have gone crazy. But I want them to read out for the awards that they have been recognized for, felicitated with many of them. Now, can you share what are those awards and you got them for what? Please tell this to my viewers, because I think it's very important to share the recognition that you've got, basically because there are so many NGOs out there who are working for the society, and getting recognition is something to inspire everybody out there and to motivate them. So I feel no shame when I say that we got this, I got this, you got this. I think it's very important to inspire people. Please go ahead and share your felicitations.
So we received the Social Impact Award from Reach for Cause for the category, the Startup NGO Award, because we had just finished the 26 Jan event, and it was one of a kind of an event where 150 women bikers participated, and it was the biggest rally in India, I can say, and also 500 women participated in this event. Around 50 national and international skaters participated in this event.
Wow.
This was a huge rally where 500 women participated wearing a tricolor dress representing the strength of unity in streets of Bangalore.
Excellent.
And we felicitated 6 Jawan families who were suffering from cancer with 50,000 rupees.
Oh, that's so nice.
50,000
Yes,
rupees each.
on an NGO day, we received this award from one of the NGOs. And the next was the Outstanding NGO Award from the Seva Hasta.
Okay.
And then Mahatma Gandhi Darshan Puraskar Award. Then we got the Real Women 2020 from Forever Star India Awards, and also have been listed recently in Global Achievers Award, where 25 most influential women have been listed out there recently in the February edition.
Yeah, we saw that.
Yeah, and so in 1 year we have received 5 awards actually.
So this is what passion does for you when you're just a baby in this entire wide ocean of people trying to work for the society. Everything that you do is good, but this is what brings you the accolades, because you're genuinely working for the society and your reasons are extremely humble. So excellent. Tell me, who's the brainchild behind all these events that you do with, sometimes they are on the bike, 150 bike riders. Last year on the Republic Day, is that correct?
Yes.
Wearing the sari and the pagdi across the city of Bangalore. And this time, thank you for
300 year, yeah.
Thank you for honoring the army officers and also honoring me by flagging off this event that you did, and you rode all the way to Kolar, felicitating and kind of helping everybody with the solar units. So how does this brainchild come to you? I mean, where does this idea come to you? It's so unique. Every event is so different. Are men also party to what you all do?
Yes. Yes.
Kasturi has a little. Okay.
No, as part of our core group, there is no participation
Okay.
from the men. But I'm sure
As a
we are not-
supporting-
as a support team, we certainly have people who come forward and endorse us. At this time, a great example was many of the men bikers reached out to us to be part of our biking ride on 26 Jan this year.
See, you're already making a difference when men actually reach out to the women
yeah.
bikers.
Yes.
So that's in fact a very positive, and I would say kudos to the men who are actually
Yes.
they
They were
doing,
very
they
kind.
don't have any shame of coming down and saying, what,
Yes.
we want to support you.
Yes.
And
They were very
damn,
happy with our event.
Hats off, thank you.
We were
That's
very
very
glad
well
that
done.
they were part of our event, and they want to be with Shifa Society even for the future events.
Oh, excellent. So
And I think I must say, men in our lives have also supported us by not restricting us and putting a box around us, giving us that free
that's
space.
very nice
Yeah.
of you to thank your
So,
better halves
yeah.
and your spouses, your
Spouses,
boyfriends, and
You
friends.
know,
and
you are like more
family.
confident when men are there with you. We are not feminists. We
Yeah.
are not feminists. We need men for the society.
Absolutely,
We
yeah.
need men and women for the society.
Excellent.
Right.
So you're basically just trying to take a stand that women can also do it.
do,
Let's
yes.
also do it
Yes,
together.
yes. We are not competing with them. We want to do what
Collaborate
we want to do.
with
That's
them.
Collaborate with them. Yes.
Excellent thought, excellent thought, and I've seen that in your events. So Kasturi, you've been a corporate player, yeah, I witnessed this right now, and I just want to know, how difficult does it get to you to balance between? You said you have 2 children. You're also working for Shifa Society, you're also working on other things, and you're working as a professional. How difficult it gets for you to balance, because people out there would like to know what's the secret behind the energy.
So I think it's multifold answer that I would like to give here. One, I think without the family support, I don't think we can do a great leap into what we are currently doing. So therefore, I'm blessed with really very understanding in-laws who stand by me when in my absence
How
for the
nice.
family.
I hope your in-laws are watching this.
Yes.
Thank you. Namaste uncle, namaste auntie, because I
Yes.
think without the family support,
Support, it
women
wouldn't-
cannot
not.
go
Yeah.
out and work for the people.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
if you're watching this, heartfelt gratitude
Thank you.
to you all
I will
for
convey
bringing
that.
this lady out.
I will
Fantastic.
surely convey that.
Yeah.
And then I work for an organization which promotes volunteering, which nurtures the ability of volunteering, and the importance of volunteering is recognized, appreciated, encouraged. In all.
Making use of this particular, this is
Yes.
called best sharing practice, ladies and
Yes.
gentlemen. that 4 days of leave for doing a voluntary activity. Fantastic,
yes.
wonderful.
And at the same time, something within to do a larger, impactful work. Before we leave this planet, have we really created something good about ourselves? So I think that keeps me driving. Having said that, let me also say it's always a trade-off. So I may have to trade off with the luxury of not having myself, me time, and not having other socialized social activities.
You must club with me.
Yes.
I manage it very well. Harshini knows it all. You guys know it all.
Morning she's on work mode and night she's in party mode.
Maybe I will get once my kids are a little more older. So that's how it is.
I wanted to mention about the Take 5, the virtual competition. Kasturi, can you tell more?
Yes, please.
So, since we mentioned about this peak corona lockdown time across the world, it was all locked down and nobody out on the street. So the company came up with a very innovative idea of Take 5 challenge because we were celebrating 5 years of Walk the World initiative, which is across, including our group CEO and vertical CEOs, walk the world and generate funds. So we said it has to be a virtual event. So we had to publish what is that unique 5 things that we did over the weekend, and then it so happened on the World Environment Day, we from Shifa Society had adopted a pond in Lakapana near Ramnagaram to rejuvenate the pond, the water body, so that the water retention is increased and then the silt is all cleared and all of this. So even in that prime lockdown period, we didn't stop. The enthusiasm and the zeal continued.
In fact, my one question was coming to the
Yes.
same thing.
How many dollars was that?
So we won 500 GBP as an award for doing this work during the corona
Out of
time.
150 participants, we were one of them.
One of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
So-
I think this is the real accomplishment
Yes,
that
yes.
you did it
Because
without
we
without any cause
We did
for
it
selfish
without-
reasons.
yes.
You just went ahead and saved that
Saved
pond out
pond,
there.
yes.
While your thought was always toward the forces, but you said, why not? Anything that you're doing for the society, let's even do this.
No, there is one more cause that we really support is to make this planet
A better
safer planet
safer
for all
planet.
of us to live.
Absolutely.
So we do support
A more greener environment.
So one of the event during the year will be revolving around that on
Excellent.
World Environment
How-
Day.
And we have also planted around 300 plants in it is a
Creating a
biodiversity park in the Parachute Training Regiment Center.
So, if anybody from the Para Center and I relate to the Para Center very closely, so we know that
We
she
created a
planted
biodiversity park there out
Excellent.
of the rare species actually.
Excellent. So, Harshini, you organized a women biker parade last year on the Republic Day.
Yes.
Do you want to talk to the viewers? Why was it different? What you did? I know that you've mentioned about 150, but
Yes,
what did you do that day, and what was the impact? I'm sure after the event is when the impact happens. What was the impact of that? I've seen you in the newspapers, my dear. So I want to know, because if it can impact me, I'm sure you would have got a lot of feedback. So what was that women bikers rally?
For the event, when I was making a group of 150 women bikers, most of the bikers didn't know how to ride a bike. Around 50
How
women
nice.
have learned to ride the bikes.
Yes.
Around more than 70 people who have
And all
not
of them
done-
have license today?
Yes. More than 70 people who have been riding the bikes from ages did their license to come for my event. Yes. And then we had a senior citizens who was around 60 plus. She participated in our event.
How nice! That
So
must
we
have been
created
the
an
highlight of
ecosystem.
your.
We created an
Yes,
ecosystem
so
of
we
our
all
bikers.
came together, we created a biker community, biker family, and such a bonding. It was a great bonding to bond with all these bikers. Yeah, and that's what I told you, we met all these people. I am very fortunate to meet my team.
I want you
because
to
of the
name those 9 ladies. Kasturi is already
Yeah.
here, and I want you to name the other 9 ladies,
Yeah,
other
sure.
8 ladies. Please
Yes,
go ahead.
It is Aarti Aru, Pratima Devi, Kavita Prabhakar, Kasturi, and then
Shalini.
Shalini, Tulsi,
Shweta.
Shweta, and
Vidya.
Vidya and Nehal.
Okay, I know that all these ladies out there are watching today, Harshini and Kasturi, and that is the reason I asked her to name all of you all. So congratulations, and you all are doing a wonderful job, because if I can feel it, I'm sure others are feeling. So riding
Yeah,
for
without them, we can't do such huge events. Definitely, it is a teamwork, and teamwork makes your dream work.
Now I have another question. Generally, ladies ask that question, and I'm skipping my other questions and coming to this one because I've named all the 8 ladies out there and 2 are here. Does it get tough on you ladies, because I'm sure you would have a difference of opinions. There could be some cat fights. You could be sometimes throwing stones at each other and pebbles at each
Not to
other,
that
and
level.
sometimes there is jealousy, sometimes something like that. कभी ये limelight में क्यों आया, मैं क्यों नहीं आई, मेरी photo क्यों नहीं आई, things like that. उसने ये
It's
event
happened
कैसे?
a lot.
So
It's happened
how
a
do
lot.
you manage this? What is your secret recipe of staying together? I mean, do share, because we are also trying to understand how women can stay and stick together, because I've not seen men having these dog fights. Let me call them dog fights.
I think putting the impact or the purpose ahead of us is what will keep us going. Differences are there, and then even when it's a family, we all ensure that we work out the difference. So is this, and I think at times one of us is strong and the other one is dormant, and then we just have to ensure we balance it out. And I think many a times the common factor is Harshini.
She's a very
So
sober,
she-
quiet.
Oh,
yeah,
you've not seen
she's
the
not?
other side. So she's quite demanding as well. But I think, what keeps us going is we all are identifying the purpose beyond our own pleasure.
For a long run, you have to let go few things. You have to compromise. It's just like a family.
Yeah.
Even husband and wives, and even with the children, you fight, and definitely you're going to have a difference of opinions when there are 10 people, 10 different minds, 10 opinions, and all these things.
वैसे
So
भी
I
एक घर
always-
में एक घर में बर्तन बचते ही हैं और बचने भी चाहिए. There has to be some spice in life, I
But
believe.
we always go by majority, and we take the decisions going on by majority.
Excellent. So guys, difference of opinion is good because it gives you an opportunity, and it opens up your thinking mind, broadens your perspective. So that's very important. And to stick together, because the bond is stronger, because the target and the focus is right in front of you. What are your future plans as an NGO? What are you planning next? What's there? What's brewing in your heads right now?
So our vision is always to support the families of Army Jawans. So related to this, we will be doing with the different concepts, and we will be coming up with the different events. It is always our mission is towards the Army Jawan families, the veterans, the war widows, providing the employment to them, for the children, providing education for
Creating
the
a
children.
sustainable means, not necessarily only employment, but it could also be, can we create a platform? So that's our long-term plan. But having said that, it's not an easy go. It requires a lot of efforts and time. So what we thought is, we can't do it at all. We need support from the society as well. So if we are able to create awareness and also spread the message that here it is, the team of Shifa Society wanting to do these quality work, then the confidence builds up, and then we are able to do a lot of crowd.
So does it get difficult for you to get sponsors or
Yes.
to get help or
Very
financial
challenging.
assistance? Because so that probably was my next task. That how do you get your sponsors? How do you reach out asking for financial aid? Because you recently gifted the solar units at Kolar. It would not have been easy to do that.
Yeah, I would like to tell about our Polar event. It was a dream project, I can say, because this was the toughest time, and it was very challenging for us to do during the corona, because we had already decided we have to do on 26 January at any cost. We want to keep this as a custom. Every 26 January we wanted to do this. If it's corona or something else, we want to do any event on that day.
I hope there is no more corona. Actually, we are a little done with the
So our
pandemic
team
era.
found out there are 5,000 families in Kolar district. Can you believe this? So
5,000
yes,
families
Army Jawan
alone
families
in Kolar.
Kolar
This is
from
district,
four
yeah.
generations. From
Fourth
fourth
generation.
generation. This is the fourth
Fourth
generation, and even the
generation serving.
children are going to
Join the army.
Join the army. Okay, and so when we went and we met the army families for the first time, we met around 30 families. A team went there, and then we spoke with them. We got like many information for what they are looking for, and one such thing what they wanted was to support their lighting needs.
I'm feeling so overwhelmed, Harshini, even to hear, you know, I mean, I don't know how do you
I know.
get so much of love for the forces? I don't know where this has come from.
Seriously, even I don't
मुझे
know.
सुन के इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, मतलब
I think
वाकई मैं इन दोनों को
that is
सलूट
what-
मार दूं और बाकी जो देख रहे हैं, because हमारे लिए कोई नहीं सोचता यार. So,
No,
जो ये ladies कर रही
that's
हैं
why there are like lot of NGOs supporting and taking care of the common needs of the public. But I didn't wanted to do that when I started. So I wanted to reach those people whose services are like ultimate. So that's why we choose this path. Because the government, and we support those families who have been before 2005, the Army Jawan families before 2005. These are the families who have been affected economically. Not after 2005. After 2005, because of the social media and other things, and you know, they get very good funds from the government, crores together. These families, even now, they get only 29,000 rupees the pension. And the lands which have been promised for them they have not yet received. Even in Kolar,
And I hope and I hope some government official is listening right now out here, and through this we would like to voice out.
we have the videos
Shifa
recorded
Society.
from the Army Jawans. We have those videos with us.
Would you be sharing it officially or through any government contact
so
or channel so that you can voice out, you know, all across?
Yeah.
Yes, we can
we,
do that.
we would be looking out for something which is very authentic before we share the information, because we need to be really mindful of information not reaching to the wrong hands.
True.
So therefore, of course, we would want to make it more generous,
Okay.
and make it more livable for these Army Jawan families.
Excellent. Harshini, please.
Yeah, these people, I told you about like there are 5,000 families. They have been sanctioned with 200 acres of land in Kolar, and till now they have not been sanctioned to them. They have been running around for this from 15-20 years.
Oh God.
Yeah, and they have an association called Kolar Army Association there, and even there are 5,000 people. They are not able to do anything.
So what about the government representatives out
No,
there?
they
I
are all
mean-
eating up. They are all the middlemen eating up all these things.
Oh, that's
And we
that's
met
a
one-
sad state.
Very sad, very sad. All these people are the Subedars, the Jawans at grassroots level. So, okay.
You will be representing it officially, and that's what you.
We might take a little more time to do that representation,
A lot of homework
because a
needs to
lot
be
of
done.
homework has to be
We
done.
can't involve-
We have just started,
We
because
can't
we are
fight
then
this,
dealing with government officials, and
Yeah.
then we don't know
We
what are
don't
the ecosystem revolving around. But then the
Do
work
you,
is on.
do you also have a legal representation in your Shifa society, because this may require
lot
some
of-
thought
Yeah.
of the
Yes,
legal
yes,
angle,
yes, yes.
even when you're writing a letter as small as
Yeah.
this, because you're just trying to submit
Yeah.
their portion to
Correct.
the government so that they can make a notice of it and they can start working towards
we can't
these.
We have
involve this
identified
legally.
this. We have identified this cause, but then we'll have to do a lot of groundwork and homework,
Has
as
this,
you said.
so if any media friends are watching out here, if they can reach back to Shifa Society, which is also on the Facebook and Insta page by the same name, or Harshini Devata or Kasturi Kotha for that matter, it'll be nice if you try and cover this, because this is a very, very, we are all fighting at the borders right now. We talk about it. 26 को भी आप मुझे जय हिंद मारते हैं, 15 अगस्त को भी आप हमें जय हिंद मारते हैं, लेकिन जो कर चुके हैं अपना काम वर्दी में, और आज वो जो पूरी ज़िंदगी अपनी दे चुके हैं, उनके लिए अगर कोई कुछ कर सकता है, then please voice it out.
please
I think
reach
that
us.
is important. So Harshini, you are an esteemed council member of the Selfless, Honorary and Voluntary Women's International Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Karnataka Defense Personnel Council, which I represent as a state president for Karnataka. Thank you so much, first of all, for reaching out and being a member. That is so sweet of you. I want to know, how do you look at contributing towards the betterment of society as a Wiki KDPC,
Same mission, so we work towards the same goals. So that's why I would like to collaborate with you for a few events which will contribute.
I'm all
towards
yours. पहले मुझे वो biker group में ऐड होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फिर मैं at least I can buy. I know buy. I know how to ride. I'm a good rider. Sorry, my apologies for the interruption. So thank you. Yes, Wiki KDPC would definitely like to collaborate on air. I'm talking with Shifa Society. I think it will be an honor for us because the same mission, same focus is there, and I think we would like to do that. That is one. Thank you so much, both of you lovely ladies out here. And if someone wishes to connect or contribute for your mission, your good work, please also share on air. How can anyone reach out to you?
The simple would be visit shefasociety.com. It's very simple. It's shefasociety@a-stretch.com. We have all the information available. Find us on our Facebook handle, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram on all as Shifa Society. We are there. And then, what is another important aspect that I would like to cover is it just didn't end it all with 9 of us joining Harshini, forming 10 women wanting to make the work more impactful. There are many who started approaching us, and therefore we created a tribe. So it's called She Tribe. So there are many volunteers who have joined us as She Tribe. Not essentially all of them are bikers. They are also non-bikers. We do conduct boot camp and boot camp for learning riding, so that we empower and break the stereotype that biking is only meant for men. At the same time, all the proceeds that we get from these workshops are also utilized for our events. So therefore, anytime that people are wanting to learn biking, then go
All
for
right.
our
You can
camps.
contribute to a person, to a Army Jawan family for his birthday. You can contribute for the community center, which we will be doing it for the Army Jawan families. You can contribute for the felicitating the Jawans on 26th January. We have a lot of options on www.shefasociety.com. So anytime, whenever you're free, just go through our website and please do support us. We ride for purpose and we do what we do in a swag.
Excellent. Yeah, they do everything. That's their actually the tagline. We do what we do in a swag. And in fact, I also do everything in a swag. Have that attitude, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, beautiful ladies. It was very insightful. I think I was completely humbled and honored because, it is not the destination, but it is the ride that really matters. I will end by giving my souvenirs to both of you all and wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. So this is a little remembrance. Go with the flow with Major Aditi. And of course my India flag, which is very important. Here you go, my dear Kasturi, one for you.
Thank you so much.
Just keep it somewhere, see if you can have a coffee and look at this and say, okay, yes, Major Aditi,
beautiful.
we know you, and thank you
These
so
are
much.
not just for coffee, these are to preserve, because something very precious is here.
Yeah, this means, I think this means a lot for people like us. I'm not sure how many really relate, but I know that we all relate to it, and you guys have been doing a fantastic job. Thank you very much for being on the show. God